Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Code with Kousalya. In this video, we are going to learn Python data types from 0 to pro level. If you are a beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, we will clearly understand what data types are, why they are important, how professionals use them. Let's get started. In Python, data types tell the type of value stored in a variable. For example, number, integer, decimal, float, text, string. Python automatically detects the data type. For example, x equals to 10, name equal to Kousalya. Here, x is an integer and name is a string. Why data types are important? Data types help Python understand how to store data in memory. They store or they decide what operations we can perform. Wrong data type results errors. Professionals always choose correct data types for better performance and clean code. Now, let's enter into the types of data types. Now, we are going to discuss numeric data types, that is int, float, complex. Let's enter into int. Int stores whole numbers, no decimal point. For example, age equal to 80. Next, marks equal to 95. Like this. And next one is float. Float stores numbers with decimal point used for price, percentage, average, etc. For example, price equal to 99.99. And the next data type is complex. Complex numbers have real and imaginary parts, mostly used in scientific calculations. For example, let's say z equal to 2 plus 3j. Here 2 is the real part and 3j is the imaginary part. So z is a complex data type and it is a complex number. Let's print this z. Print. Let's run this program. You see, value of z is printed here. Next data type is Boolean data type. Boolean has only two values. One is true, second one is false. And it is used in conditions and decision making. For example, is logged in equal to true, let's say. So we have given true value for is logged in variable. For example, let's print is logged in. Let's run this program. You see true. How do we use this Boolean? Let's see. For example, if is logged in true, if this is true, print continue or proceed. And we have to keep double quotes or single quotes. Let's run this program. Here, as we put true, as we given value true, this block of code is being executed and we see proceed is displayed on the screen because is logged in holds true value. If this holds false, what happens? This will not execute it. It will be skipped. For this boolean is used. Understand? And next data type is string and it is very important, my dear friends. String is used to store text. written inside single or double quotes. For example, name equal to, let's say, Kousalya. Otherwise, city equal to, let's say, Dharmavaram, like this. So, whatever you write inside the two double quotes or inside the single quotes, it will be considered as string. And strings are immutable. You cannot change string. You cannot change characters directly. Percentage. Let's discuss about sequence data types. First one is list. List stores multiple values and it is ordered and mutable. Ordered means how you insert will be the order it displays, and mutable means it can be changed, means you can add, delete the items or the values from that list you have created. For example, numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these values 1, 2, 3, 4 are stored in the same variable name, that is numbers. Let's print this list. Let's run the program. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 has displayed on the screen, and that is list. And next go to tuple. Tuple is similar to list, but it is immutable and used for fixed data. For example, coordinates like 10, 20. Let's print coordinates. Let's run the program. You see 10, 20. How does this tuple and list are different? Now let's see that. So I would like to change some values in the numbers. So I would like to add 0 at first in the numbers. So numbers at 0 index is equal to, let's skip 0. Print numbers. See 0, 2, 3, 4 has printed. So I have replaced 1 with 0. Now let's see how whether this 10 is going to be replaced or not in the tuple. So tuple 0 is equal to 0 and print tuple and print tuple. Let's run the program. Here you see type error. Type objects does not support item assignment. So we cannot change the values in the tuple. And that is the difference between list and tuple. Hope you have understood that. Now next thing is range. Range is used to generate a sequence of numbers mostly used in loops. For example, range 1, 10. 1, 10. Here 1 is the starting of the range and 10 will be 10 is not inclusive, it is exclusive. So it is a range used in loops and loop runs only up to 9, not 10. And next is set data type. Set stores unique values only, no duplicates, unordered. For example, let's say unique numbers. Let's give, and we use flower braces. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Let's print set. What will happen? Let's see. Let's run the program. Sorry. unique numbers I have to print, right? You can see 1, 2, 3 has printed, but we have given 3 two times, but only one time 3 has printed. So it only stores unique values, not the duplicates. And dictionary data type. And dictionary stores data in key value pairs, very powerful and widely used. For example, let's say student. We are creating a student dictionary. It contains name, colon, Kousalya. Next, we separate using comma. Next, age. We assign with colon and 18. And again, comma, if you want to add more. For course, let's keep course equal to Python. And no need to keep comma for the last one. Now, let's just print this dictionary. Print student. Expected colon after dictionary. Yeah, we have to keep colon not equals to many people. Even me will be confused here and do the same mistake. See, here dictionary has printed or displayed on the screen. And none data type. None means no value, used as a placeholder. Result is none. If if you are not able to assign anything, you can assign none to the variable. It does not store anything, just none, no value at all. It displays none only. And next thing is how to check data type. We use type function to check data type. Let's say x equal to 10, right? Let's print the data type of x, that is type x. Let's run the program. Class int has been printed on the screen. Like that we used to check different data types. And so in this video, what we have learned is Python has multiple built-in data types. Beginner use int, float, string. For intermediate use list, tuple, set. For professionals, master, dict, bool and combinations. Choosing the right data type makes your code powerful and efficient. If you understood Python data types from 0 to pro, like this video, subscribe to Code with Kousalya for more Python and programming content. In the next video, we will learn type conversion and type casting. See you soon. Bye bye.